Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Enuani Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across our channel, kindly do us a favor by hitting the subscription button and also hit the notification bell in case when we put out our videos, you'll be among the first set of people to see it. This is Enuani Cultural Forum, and today we are going to be looking at ancient ways of setting traps. We're going to be looking at a setting trap called Nzopu in Igbo culture. Now, this trap is usually used by ancient Igbo men in catching big animals. We're going to analyze the trap. I'm going to show you things that are used in setting the trap. First of all, the essential ingredients we use in setting trap are the stick, which we call ube. We also have things like ukeke, ufiele, unwowa, and the most important thing, which is the metallic wire, which you can get from any market. When you get all these stuffs together, you prepare your nzopu trap. I'm going to show you how nzopu is after it has been prepared. I'm going to show you around with a video, or you have to get these items that I listed. It is not every stick that is used in making your stick, that is ube. You have to make use of a stick that can be bent. Yes, a long stick that is in its juvenile state that can be bent. A stick you can also be able to bend. That is what you use. We have sticks like Igbos. We have sticks like bamboo. Yes, bamboo can also bend, so we use bamboo. We have sticks like Opo. We have Oshuabose. We have Anorizube. And then the ropes we use, we have Aquari, we have Akadike, and the rest. But there is a metallic rope which is like a wire which you have to buy from the market. That is the one you attach to your Aquari. And then you make a little hole in the ground where you will fix your snare so that when the big animal follows that track, because most animals have a path that they follow in the bush. When the animal follows through that track, as you can see from the video, it will step on it, dig into the hole a little, and offset the ufene. The ufene is usually placed this way, just like Otoloaka Ninjinaka. When it steps on the ufene, then the rope will hold on to the part of the animal that has stepped into that hole and lift it up. It is like Ishoni. I don't want to use English here. Man, animal you see, the word for animal and the word for animal is almost the same between Igbo and English. English calls it animals. We will call it animal. Sometimes we call it anu for short. So mananu ọzọ tie eziokwu na ya bụ ugbo igwu ufie na ebuni ya bụ ube dokpunizi anyone okpolumisi ani. If you are able to meet it alive, you can also take it home. If you are able to preserve it, if you have a wildlife where you can keep them, or you can also use them as bushmeat. This is how we make our Nzopu trap. I hope you enjoyed today's video. In case you did, give us a thumbs up by liking our video, subscribing to our channel, and also commenting so that we'll know what you think about today's video. Thank you for joining Enuani Cultural Forum. We welcome you on board. Do have a very wonderful week ahead. Thank you.